Hey, what's up, YouTubers? This is Swede coming at you from Silver Lake, Los Angeles. And today I'm showing you guys how to play Simple Man by Lynyrd Skynyrd. Great song, awesome classic song, good for the picking practice. We only have 3 chords, but so it's mostly the right hand we got to work on. We got C major. 1, 2, 3. We got G major, 1, 2, 3, and we got A minor. And we will add a 7 there, A minor 7, with the pinky. 3rd fret, E string. Also, I'm in standard tuning. If you want to play along with the record, this song is in A flat. So you got to tune the whole guitar down half a step. Okay. So we got this walk up to start with. Open A, 2nd fret, and then C. And then we're picking 5, 3, 4, 5, 2, 3, 4, 3. And then over the G, we want to pick 6, 4, 6, 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, 5, 4. And then on the A minor, we want to start picking the same way we picked the C. So it's 5, 3, 4, 5, 2, 3, 4, 3, and then 5, 3, 2, and add the minor 7 here. And then we have the heavy part. You can either just play the chords, C to G, A minor. As you want to grab the G there. E, G, A minor. If you want to play the melody, it goes like this. So on the A string, 7, 5, 3, 3, 7, 5, 3, open. There it is, folks. Simple Man. Cool. I'll see you tomorrow with more classic tunes. Be safe. Stay strong. Bye.